It's easy to spend a lot of time looking at phones, computers, TVs, or other screens. Dr. Beck from WesTex Urgent Care says too much screen time can impact everybody.
It can cause headaches, it can cause stress and tension, and a lot of people will feel that in their neck or shoulders or back. So definitely it can affect adults. But it can also impact people emotionally too.
Dr. Beck doesn't point to any long-term physical problems caused from constantly staring at screens, but the doctor tells us that more time on electronics and less human interaction can be tough to deal with, especially for children.
I think it can definitely affect kids emotionally. They need live human interaction. They need to learn how to interact with people. And I think, adults and children, we're used to texting, and text messages can be taken differently. It's not always what you say, it's how you say it. And you may say something to a person on a text message and they can take it totally out of context.
Children need to be able to have social interaction and physical activity. And Dr. Beck says he thinks constant screen time can impact the child's attitude or personality. But with a lot of children learning virtually this year, and with some parents still working at home, it can be tough to cut down.
If an adult, if that's the way they make their living, is sitting in front of a computer, it's hard to say you need to limit your screen time. I think we need to just be aware of, how much time we're spending, because, time can fly by. My son has no concept of time when he's on the computer. He thinks he's been on the computer for 15 minutes. He's been on there for 2 hours. But I think every child is different. Some kids do well.
Dr. Beck says if your family can cut down on screen time, that's the best option. But that's not always realistic. The doctor recommends taking a break from screens every 15 to 30 minutes. Even if you have a lot of work or homework to do, looking away for just a few minutes can help.